Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Net, and in this video I would like to show you my framed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots, The Field of Dreams. I already uploaded a post review, a very detailed information about the kit a few hours ago. So if you would like to get more detailed information and more detailed information about the specifications of this kit, about my impression from working on this kit and my opinion on the final result, you can watch my previous video along with the link to the seller. In this video, I would like to show you how I framed it. This is going to be the first part of this video. I'm just trying to show you how beautifully it sparkles. The glass does not take away any sparkle, as you can see from here, and plus the camera doesn't really show the whole sparkle. This is a standard size, 40 by 50 centimeters. I love the size. If the designers generate the images into diamond paintings, like in Diamond Dots, the kit would look, the kit completed would look very detailed, just like in this case. Even such a small size as 40 by 50 centimeters. Plus, the size is standard, and there are a lot of frames of this size that you can purchase in different stores already, ready frames. And it was one of them that I got in from Michael's. It was a promotion, buy one get two free, of the same or smaller size, and I got 3 frames of 40 by 50 centimeters for, how much did I pay? I don't even remember how much I paid, but it was pretty cheap. 3 frames for maybe $30, which is cheap. It's like $10 each. So this is the first part of the video. It is I think it is a poster frame. It is really very light with acrylic glass. I'm not sure if it is made of plastic or compressed wood, but that's how it looks in the back. Here it is. So, and again, if you want more detailed information about this kit along with the link to the seller, watch my previous video. So this is the first part, and in the second part of this video I would like to unbox this beautiful patriotic kit from Diamond Dots, Heading Home. If you are interested in how it looks inside, stay with me and we will see the contents in a second. So this kit has actually been purchased online from Mary Maxim. As I mentioned before, I found this company for myself. This is an online store that is located somewhere in Minnesota. Maybe they have also physical stores over there. I'm not sure, but they have really very nice sales, and I purchased this diamond painting kit for $20 only, which is super cheap. The original price was around, I don't know, 30 something or 40 even dollars. Diamond Dots, Heading Home. This is how the contents looks inside, very accurately packaged as always in plastic bags. And although I'm not the fan of diamond painting the people, I really liked this image. Very patriotic, especially taking in consideration that Memorial Day is coming. Plus, I was thinking about customization of this kit, specifically the flag. I was gonna diamond paint them, these two flags, with sparklers. So let's start with the canvas. The canvas is always fabric based. This is a woven polyester. The adhesive is a poured glue. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit that comes with 30 colors, and the size is 40 by 50 centimeters. Again, my favorite standard size. Not sure if I'm going, once I complete it, I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it or if I'm going to give it to somebody else. But I really like this kit, and I think I would replace some of the drills here where the light is coming with either ABs or sparklers. Not sure this kit contains any ABs. Usually, Thomas Kincaid's collection does not come with any AB colors. So that's how it looks, beautifully um, printed, not beautifully, not really a good word, clearly printed symbols, well recognizable, as always on any diamond dots kits. This is canvas wise. I really love rendering. I think it would turn out super detailed. I mean, even on this rendering, I can see every single wrinkle on the soldier's clothes. Beautiful, beautiful kit. Now let's look at the drills. As I supposed, as I suspected, this diamond painting does not contain any AB diamonds. Really very nice pastel peachy tint colors. Not of my favorite ones. I do not. I'm not really a fan of brown shades, but I'm pretty sure that this painting would look fantastic with it. You know what? Actually, I do not see. I do not see blue color for the flag. Yeah, I would definitely replace it because I want the flag of the best country in the world to stand out. So I will make it really very bright with the sparklers. So let's look at the drills. Yeah, very pastel. Jesus Christ, what is that? Huh, interesting. Not sure. Maybe my daughters didn't see it before. So gray, kind of like peachy yellow, yellow. No, I don't think I will be very good at naming the shades of the brown. Um, Several shades of yellow, a lot of brown shades, a lot. Oh, the tools. Never, I never mentioned the tools. Yeah, diamond dot kits always come with really nice tools. Yeah, so many brown shades. Look, like brick, reddish, brown. Yeah, very very calm pastel colors, like orange brownish or brown orangish. A lot of gray colors as well. So these are the drills. I can see from the bags how well they sparkle. Well, as far as I understand, this is supposed to be the blue for the flag, but I'm not gonna use it. And this is for the red. Not sure which one is used for the white one. Let's look. So the symbol is equal sign number 30. So this goes as white on the red on American flag. I would definitely use white ABs, um, red and blue sparklers. Yeah, hopefully I won't mess up with the colors. So that's how it looks. Just wanted to show you in case if you were looking into purchasing this diamond painting but were doubting, because again, it is expensive. It is definitely more than $30. Not sure about 40, but definitely more than 30. And I purchased it because, yes, I like it, but not to the extent that I would buy it even for $30. No, I bought it because it was pretty cheap. $20 is cheap for diamond dots for the high quality kits. That is why I went ahead and purchased it. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon.